So y'all, I done got me some stuff from Sephora and Dillard's. So I had to go to the mall real quick and get me some stuff for some new makeup because y'all, I needed an updated makeup routine. Like, it was time. The time was now. The time was yesteryear. Okay. But yeah, so I got me a new foundation, new eyebrow pencil, because y'all know I've been doing my eyebrows with the box of crayons black. But I finally got my girl Fenty, okay? I got my girl Fenty eyebrow pencil. This is what I do my edges with, the clear ice gel, by the way, in case anybody cares. I got her eyebrow pencil in soft black, I believe. What I got it in? What the color at? Yeah, I got it in soft black. I wanted to get it in dark brown, but they didn't have dark brown at the moment, so I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna just go with soft black and I'm gonna just do my eyebrows a little light so it won't be too dark. But it was real cute or whatever, you know. And then y'all already know I got my girl Laura Mercier. I had to re-up on some medium deep setting powder because I ran out and I was like, no. Then I got Too Faced concealer in the shade Chestnut, because I seen Jackie Aina use Too Faced concealer in Chestnut, and we about the same color, kind of, sort of. I'm probably a little bit darker than her. You probably can't tell from the camera, but I'm probably a bit darker than her, but it'll work for me too. We up. I got Milk Hydro Grip. I've been meaning to try the Milk Hydro Grip primer because I see all the little beauty girls using it and they are raving about it, so I'm gonna see for myself and see if I like it. Okay, from Dillard's I got Shiseido foundation, period. Shiseido, bitch. I'm ashy. That is not cute at all. Elbows ashy, hands ashy. You know it's cold outside, that's why I'm ashy. Bitches love to make an excuse for why they ashy. Let me start with the brows. Brows on Rihanna. And I can finally say that. I'm gonna be like, brows on Rihanna. Oh, this is cute. She got instead of a spoolie, she got a little brush thing instead of a spoolie. That's cute. I forgot to tell y'all that I also went to the hair store and got me a lip liner, but I think it's the lip liner I got is too light. Let me check it now. Oh, so I was contemplating between this brown and a darker brown, but you know you can't open it inside the hair store without buying it, so yeah, that's way too light. And then I got me some lashes. They're really long. They are from ING. That's a brand that the hair store sells. But you know, the hair store got the best lashes, and that's all period, poo. Oh yeah, that one was juicy. That was a juicy one. Publix had buy one get one free. Bitch, I was on their ass. Okay, I was on their ass. Let's see what she can do. Let's see, because the girls was going crazy about her, so let's see. She feels good though. She feels good. I'm just putting it everywhere where I'm dark at. I spray it between every step now because I find that my face like sets better, so you know, set everything, girl. So now that I'm looking like a good Oompa Loompa, we finna go on with the Shiseido foundation. I just like the name of that, Shiseido. What foundation you got on? This Shiseido, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Do y'all know that video? I love that video. I got it in the shade Jasper, so if you're around my complexion, you could get it in Jasper. Lady at the counter was trying to sell me mahogany, and I'm like, girl, mahogany got a red undertone that I don't like. Like, I was looking like this, like how I look with this damn color correct. I was like, girl, I know my shade. I don't need you to color match me. Give me Jasper. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Ooh, Ooh. Y'all like that? Y'all like that? What them edges giving y'all? What them edges giving y'all? They giving me America's Next Top Model. What they giving y'all though? America's Next Top Model? Yeah, I know. That's what I just said. I know. Let me stop. I'm full of it. And now that my skin together, bitch, that looks like skin. Period, poo. Now I'm finna go on with the Too Faced concealer in the shade Chestnut. Oh yeah, it's like 1 shade lighter than my beautiful bronze, or maybe 1.5. That's fine. We could work with that. Oh, it feels good though. Like it going like butter. Yeah, I like it. Y'all, let me tell y'all how Retrograde got these niggas wildin' out. So, some guy that I used to deal with in 2018, mind you. This is how long ago? Like, come on. 2018, I used to deal with this guy. I get a text message from a random phone number talking to some, yo. And I said, who this? And then they said, is this Kim? And then I'm like, yes. Who is this? And then they just go like, they didn't even say, they just like go into the conversation like, oh, what's good, blah, blah, blah. They didn't want to say who they were, so then I called the number. Because clearly it's somebody who knows me. So I call it, and then they like covering the camera. So I'm like, hello. And then they just start talking, and I'm trying to like make out the voice, but I just like, I didn't know the voice. So they was like, damn, you don't know my voice, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, no, who is this? And then they was like, hold on, I'm gonna call you back. At this point, I didn't even care for the conversation. I really didn't care who it was. I clearly already knew it was a blast from the past. That's when they text me and they was like, oh, this is so-and-so. So I'm like, I put the dead laughing emojis, because how dare you text me like we just all fine and dandy. Like we're just good. Like people like that are so weird to me. People will dead text you knowing they did some foul shit to you, and then like the first thing you should be texting me, number one, is an apology. That's the first thing. That's the first message you should have sent. Okay? Like people are weird. People are weird. This is why I can't wait to change my phone number. Like when I change my phone, I'm waiting till like I get big and then I'm gonna change my phone number. But now, like these Retrograde, ooh my god. After I put the laughing emoji, she was like, oh, I thought I was blocked, blah blah blah. I was gonna try to email you. And then I go, well, now you are blocked. And then I blocked them. And then the reason we fell out is because when we were talking, mind you, I've talked to this guy twice before, like twice in my lifetimes. So I talked to him in high school before. We fell out in high school because he went and got a girlfriend. We didn't go to the same high school, but he went and got a girlfriend. So I was like, okay, that's fine. You will go get your girlfriend. It's okay. Don't talk to me anymore. So then we started talking again when I got to college, and he still live in Miami, but you know, y'all know I'm in Tallahassee. So we started talking again when I got to college. He went and got a girlfriend again. And mind y'all, this time, the way I found out the first time he had a girlfriend, because he actually told me, like, yo, Kim, I have a girlfriend, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay. But the second time, he didn't even tell me. I had to find out through his freaking Instagram on his birthday, because she posted him, happy birthday, babe, whatever. And then he, like, you know, reposted it to his Instagram. And I'm like, really? Blocked. So I blocked him. As soon as I seen it, I blocked him on all social media. I don't know why I didn't block his phone number as well, but I blocked him on all my social media. So play with your mother, not with me. The Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I don't think I'm ever going back to LA girl. Like this, the blend, do y'all see the blend on this? Go look at my other videos and then come back here. Like look at my face here and then look at my face on my other videos. Here, 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 here. Come on, you see the difference. Don't act. And then when I smile, you don't see no laugh lines. Like look, you can see the laugh line right here. Y'all, that milk hydro grip is gripping. It's gripping all my little wrinkles. I usually get wrinkles in my forehead too. Nothing. But that milk hydro grip mixed with the Too Faced Born This Way, mixed with the Shiseido, I'm moving on up to the mother effing east side. Well, y'all know I don't even bake. I actually press the powder in my face. That's just a me thing, you know. I don't really like when I bake. I feel like it makes me look casket ready, and I don't like that. Like, I feel like I be going to the club and then bitches be like, it's a dead body on the dance floor. DJ, it's a dead body on the dance floor. No, but I'm laughing, but I'm serious. Like, I just feel like it just make me look like I'm going to my own funeral. No offense to the girls who like do bake, like y'all be looking good, but it's just not for me. I never said it was a problem. You know, bitches will put words in your mouth to act like you said it was a problem. Jeez. People are crazy, y'all, for real. Now we're gonna go into the box of crayons palette because y'all already know the girls at Sephora didn't have my shade. I think it's just honestly a Sephora Tallahassee thing because I'm pretty sure I would have been able to find my shade in the contour in Miami, but Tallahassee ain't got shit and it's where I'm at, so gotta do what it do for now. But y'all already know brown in the box of crayons palette, and then I get my little brush and then I go ham on the sides. And then I go back over it with the brush I use for foundation, just so it won't be too harsh on my face. The blend is crazy. Like, it looks good. It looks so good. I'm never going back. I'm never going back. That's the ghetto now. Up to the eyeshadow. Y'all already know I'm finna go on with credit and put that in the cream area, whatever. Oh, you know what? 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 Rewind that, because what the hell was I trying to say? I just love Jackie on the palette. Like, it don't got no fallout. None. Zero. Zero, 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 zero. Like, I don't even gotta put how you call it, setting powder right there just to catch the fallout, because it ain't got none. Ain't no fallout to catch, sis. You know the vibes. The last time I got ready with y'all was for Valentine's Day, and we were going to GBO, which is another club in Cali. But Top Flight is lit. Like, Top Flight gotta be the littest club in Cali after Coliseum. But you know, they done tore down Coliseum. If you know, you know. We gonna go on with ginger. Yeah, let's go on with ginger. I was gonna go with edges, but edges, I don't want it got that orange on it. Let's do a brown. And we just gonna go on with ginger on top of credit to just blend out the edges. And then I'm gonna go back in with credit again, just to make it a little darker and make it visible. But nonetheless, just blend out the edges with ginger. Make sure credit's still dark, still visible. Cause you want people to know you're wearing eyeshadow, no? You didn't spend all this time for people to not know you're wearing eyeshadow. What do they do that day? You might as well not put none on. But now we're gonna go in with Sponsored. And Sponsored is like a greenish, metallic, remind me of the ocean, like I'm finna meet Poseidon or whatever. That's Sponsored right there. Okay, so this cute, but it don't match my dress. So I'm gonna have to go into the crayon case palette and get like, put a little bit of blue on top of that. Five in the morning. Why Pretty Ricky not on Love and Hip Hop Miami no more? I've been meaning to ask that. Like, they just disappeared. I quite enjoyed them. We're going back in with credit, and we just gonna smoke out the end. It's just so pretty. Makeup is so beautiful. Let me go do my moles. Put some mascara. Pause. It's never too much setting spray, good sis. Oh my gosh, y'all, it looks good. Like, it looks good with a T. This is Ginger Snap from NYX Better Gloss, and just got some brown liner. I need to go lighter on the lips. It's too dark for me. If I would do Ginger Snap, I'll do my lids way lighter, because Ginger Snap is a dark, mystical type bitch. And then this is clear. Y'all already know as soon as the lip liner and all that extra stuff get inside, it won't be clear no more, but it still come out clear, so it's clear. Okay. The girls say I put on too much lip gloss. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend. Follow me on my social media as well. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye y'all. Love y'all. Peace.